नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने चैनल में जिसका नाम है EWNS अचूर्म।
Have you ever pondered how the world looked before the invention of the written word? Welcome to a journey through time, where we unravel the mysteries of prehistory, a time that predates recorded history. Our journey begins with the Paleolithic Era, otherwise known as the Old Stone Age, a period that began over 2 million years ago. During these times, the first known human-like creatures, the hominids, roamed Africa. The name of the game was survival, and these early humans had to adapt to their surroundings to live another day. They developed simple tools, made from stone and bone, to aid in hunting and gathering. Following the Paleolithic Era, we find ourselves in the Mesolithic Era, or Middle Stone Age. This period, starting around 10,000 years ago, marked a significant shift in human life. With the Ice Age coming to an end, humans began to form more complex societies. They started to settle in one place, leading to the birth of agriculture. As we move forward, we enter the Neolithic Era, the New Stone Age, which began around 7,000 years ago. This era saw the rise of farming communities, the domestication of animals, and the development of pottery and weaving. These advancements not only improved living conditions but also set the stage for the Bronze Age and the rise of civilization as we know it. The Bronze Age, beginning around 5,000 years ago, was a time of remarkable advancements in technology. The discovery of how to create bronze transformed societies, leading to the development of complex tools and weapons. This was the era that saw the rise of the first cities and the birth of trade. After the Bronze Age, we entered the Iron Age, starting around 3,000 years ago. With the discovery of iron and the ability to forge it into tools and weapons, societies became even more complex. This was the era that saw the rise of the Roman Empire, the beginnings of written history, and the end of prehistory. So what have we learned from our journey through prehistory? We've seen how early humans evolved from simple tool users to complex societies, how the end of the Ice Age led to the birth of agriculture, how the discovery of bronze and iron transformed societies, and how these advancements set the stage for the rise of civilization. These eras, these milestones, remind us of the resilience and ingenuity of the human species. They show us how our ancestors adapted and thrived in a world very different from ours. A world before the written word, a world we can only begin to imagine. This is the wonder of prehistory, a time that laid the foundation for everything we know today. It's a tale of survival, adaptation, and progress. A tale that continues to inspire and intrigue us as we strive to uncover the mysteries of our past.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही बेल आइकन दबाएं, जिससे समय पर नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। आपका एक लाइक हमें प्रोत्साहित करता है जिससे कि हम नई वीडियो बनाएं। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट।